What's going on, wonderful piano enthusiasts, music learners? Jim here from GrassRootsPiano. Listen, I think every piano channel on YouTube should have some sort of technique, finger dexterity exercise, because these fingers naturally are not strong. We really need to get into that and get that down. I know it's not fun or cool, really important. Also, since Learner Sunshine reached out, I've created this lesson, and to celebrate that I have over 10,000 subscribers, I have a free PDF if you wish. You can go ahead and print this out and practice it, as well as I'm gonna attach the first lesson. I'm gonna start with the right hand and left hand, and then next week I'll post a lesson on both hands. So you wanna subscribe, and as usual, hit the notification bell. With the right hand, we're gonna have that 1, 2, like that. So we stretch it out a little bit. We'll go slow, and then the 4, 5, then it's the sequence. We're just gonna go up the C scale. And then when we're descending, we have our 5, 4. You'll see that in the video. And then the left hand starts out with the 5, 4 there. 4 counts, and we begin. Right hand first. 2, 3, 4, and. And you can slow down. If needed, no problem. One, 2, descending with the 5, 4. 3, 4, 5, 4. And 1, 2, left hand, go, and. Two, 1, the 2 fingering, and. One, 2, 3, 4. All right, if you haven't done exercise 1 yet, you're gonna wanna check out this video so you can work in a stepwise motion. They're very similar. Till next time, happy music making. As always, keep practicing.